All right, we got to disassemble the door. This one's bent. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a new day. It's the next day here, and we are back working on our red Velvet Jeep. Also, I want to let you guys know we got the matching shirt. Make sure you guys go to the website, detroitlifegarage.com, copy your shirts, get your merchandise, check that out. And today, I think Jay's gonna finish pulling the frame right here. This is the frame door. You see he's got it hooked up. Come on in here, check this out. He's got it hooked up. That's still got to be pulled and readjusted and all that fun stuff. And we're gonna get that going today. We also got some parts and we got some doors in. We're gonna check out those doors. And as you guys seen in the last video, I put the trailer hitch on this one. We took the black Jeep in and we got that inspected. Everything is good there. So with that said, I think we're gonna check out these doors, check out our parts, what we got in today, and go from there. All right, check out our doors. We got our doors here. That's our rear door. As you can see here, we're gonna replace these doors. This one got hit pretty bad, but that's all right. We got a new one. Let's go check out the front door. They got to be painted, taken apart. This is our front door. 18 Grand Cherokee. They're actually pretty nice. I mean, I checked them out before we got them. So yeah. So and there's our hitch right there. So let's check out these doors and go from there. Let's get this door apart. All right, we got the door up here on the little horsey, and we're going to start taking everything apart and go from there. All right, guys, we got the door stripped. That's the front door. We got to do the rear door, get this stripped, and we'll go from there. All right, so as we're pulling this, we see there is a bolt that is bent. This is one of the new ones, and might have to get one, so we're gonna see exactly if we gotta get another bolt, but it's coming along. Can't complain. All right, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got the doors torn apart. We get this thing pulled a little bit, still gonna be pulled more. We also got the bolt out, it's the bad bolt. We got to get parts on Monday. So with all that being said, man, thanks you guys for tuning in. And make sure you guys go to the website, Detroit Life Gear, get your t-shirts, merchandise. And we'll be back here Monday working on this thing with new bolts. Hopefully they got them in stock. So with that said, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.